Hook, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to transfer money from Monzo to PayPal? Maybe you wanted to make a purchase online, or perhaps you needed to send money to a friend or family member. Whatever the reason, it's a common query that can leave you scratching your head. Context: Monzo and PayPal are both popular digital payment platforms, each with its own unique features and benefits. While they may seem similar at first glance, there are subtle differences that can make transferring money between them a bit more complex than you might expect. Main content: understanding the limitations. Direct transfers. Unfortunately, Monzo and PayPal don't offer a direct transfer option. This means you can't simply log into your Monzo app or PayPal account and initiate a transfer between the two platforms. Workarounds: while direct transfers aren't possible, there are a few workarounds you can explore. Method 1. Transferring to a bank account. Step 1. Connect your bank account to PayPal. This is a straightforward process that typically involves providing your bank account information. Step 2. Transfer money from Monzo to your linked bank account. You can do this directly from the Monzo app. Step 3. Once the transfer is complete, it should appear in your PayPal account. You can then use the funds to make purchases or send money. Method 2. Using a third-party platform. Step 1. Choose a reliable third-party platform that supports transfers between Monzo and PayPal. Some popular options include TransferWise, now known as Wise, and Revolut. Step 2. Create an account on the chosen platform and connect your Monzo and PayPal accounts. Step 3. Initiate a transfer from Monzo to PayPal through the third-party platform. You'll typically be charged a fee for this service. Factors to consider. Fees. Be aware that using a third-party platform may involve fees. These fees can vary depending on the platform and the amount you're transferring. Exchange rates. If you're transferring money between different currencies, be sure to check the exchange rates offered by the platform you choose. Some platforms may offer more favorable rates than others. Speed. The speed of the transfer can also vary depending on the method you use. Direct transfers to your bank account are typically faster than using a third-party platform. Best practices. Security. Always prioritize security when transferring money. Ensure that you're using reputable platforms and that your accounts are protected with strong passwords. Research. Before choosing a method, do your research to compare fees, exchange rates, and speed. Consider your needs. The best method for you will depend on your specific needs and circumstances. Additional tips. Check transaction limits. Some platforms may have transaction limits in place. Be aware of these limits and plan accordingly. Customer support. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the customer support of the platforms you're using. Conclusion. While Monzo and PayPal don't offer direct transfers, there are several workarounds available that allow you to move money between the two platforms. By understanding the limitations and considering the factors involved, you can choose the method that best suits your needs. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.